Guys, hindi na naman nagtagal, may nilabas na naman si Huawei and it's the latest Huawei GT3. Okay, so ako sinubaybayan ko lahat ng Huawei GT series and gusto natin malaman how good this one is. Tara, buksan natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So nakita na natin ang full unboxing nito Huawei Watch GT3 and andito na sa kamay natin. It's really a very elegant watch and masasabi ko sa inyo, out of the box, it looks very elegant. This is my first time na makahawak na itong leather strap. Normally, mga nakukuha kong GT series yung sporty na rubber strap and ito medyo naninibago ako. Kasi yung leather is more pang mga formal and casual wear. And pansin ko, ako medyo dinala natin to for kunting sports mode, nagtakbo tayo and doing some a little bit of sports. So nakita natin medyo namumuti siya dahil sa pawis. Pero no worries, kunting punas lang naman siya, yan, natanggal na siya. No big deal naman siya, And masasabi ko sa'yo, this strap is definitely very elegant. And what I like about this one is sobrang gaan niya, This is probably one of the lightest, sa GT series, I remember si GT2E is pinakamagaan, before this one. And this one siguro masasabi ko, it's almost as light as GT2E. Now, tinry natin yung Watch 3, masasabi ko, that probably is the heaviest among sa mga watch na nahawakan ko kay Huawei. Except yung mga pinakaunang series, yun talaga, ang kapal, ang chunky, ang bigat. But this time around, panipis ng panipis, And makita natin, this is yung, yung kapal lang niya. Very thin, okay? So, very GT-like, okay? So, lagi akong sumusubaybay nitong GT series, And ito yung, itsura niya on the sides. And ito yung sa dial niya, Okay? Sa watch niya, sa harap. And it's a 46mm tong hawak natin, And ito ang default niyang watch face. Very elegant. And sa likod, ito yung kanyang sensor, So, pagtanggal na itong strap is also the same. Tatanggalin mo na itong latch, makakapalit ka ng strap. There's a lot of option, na pwede pagpilian sa mga watch strap. And probably I'll be buying yung black strap, na rubberized. This one is a genuine leather. As yan, kita natin, nakasulat genuine leather. Yan. Okay? Focus lang natin. Yan. Yan, nasa genuine leather. So, definitely masarap siyang suotin. No? If you're a casual person, I suggest you buy this one. But if you're a sporty person, you buy another strap na okay lang pagpawisan. Walang problema, no? Now, after 2 weeks kong ginamit to, no, I would like to share you 6 points, no, na nagustuhan ko dito sa watch na ito, the Huawei Watch GT3. So, after 2 weeks, though, first things first, pinaka-important sa akin is battery life. Now, itong watch na to can survive me 14 days, a little bit more than 14 days, no? So, tinry ko siyang gamitin, day 1, naka-full charge siya. Then, at the 14th day, meron pa siyang around mga 6% na battery pa natira, no? Which is for me, okay. Now, yung setting mo, hindi pwede yung lahat naka-on, no? Like, let's say, naka-on ang heart rate monitoring, all-day heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. Hindi mo pwede on yon. That's for yung typical usage, no? Ang typical usage is yung normal usage. There's another classification na tinatawag natin, heavy usage, no? Ang sabi ni Huawei, this one on heavy usage, it can last you up to 7 days. So, not bad na rin siya, no? It's a half nung typical usage. So, kasi ako, there are days na inon ko ang sleep monitoring. There are days na hindi ko naman inon. Now, that is for me to check kung kaya naman niya mag-withstand ng 14 days. And true enough, 14 days, may natira pa akong 6%. It's definitely a good sign, no, dito sa Watch GT3. Now, another function na gustong-gusto ko dito is yung call function yan, no? Pwede ka tumawag dito sa phone, hindi pala phone, sa watch na ito, no? So, once na nakakonect ka sa Bluetooth ng watch mo, ng phone mo, na naka-connect via Huawei app, health app. So, all you need to do, pag nagtawag siya sa'yo, pindot mo dito, sagutin mo lang like this. Okay? So, pwede mo pakinggan like this, sagutin mo like this. It's very nifty, no? This is, of course, siyempre, there are times na ayaw mo na hawakan yung phone mo na ganun. O ayaw mo naman i-loudspeaker din. So, might as well, ganun na lang kausapin mo. Very futuristic though, which is for me a very nice feature dito. But of course, syempre, if you're on a crowded place, you don't want to let everybody hear kung anong pinag-uusapan nyo, no? Maybe there are times na medyo may a little bit of trade secret na pinag-uusapan ninyo. Ayaw mo i-share sa buong mundo. Pwede mong ipindot dito, answer, then sagutin mo sa phone mo. That's another alternative. But having yung yung Bluetooth function dito na call function is definitely a very nice feature to have. Now, the third function na gusto ko i-share sa inyo is the AI running coach. Now, ang running, it entails a lot of perseverance, of course. There is somebody to push you. Importante yun pagdating sa running. And diyan pumapasok ang iyong coach, no? So dito sa Huawei Watch GT3, meron siyang inside, no? Meron siyang special function na AI running coach. Yung trabaho niya is to tell you, on this day, ito gagawin mo. Tomorrow, ito gagawin mo. On the other day, ito gagawin mo. Okay? So, ititimpla niya, ibabalance niya kung anong kakayahan mo. Kasi kukuha mo na siya ng kunting data sa'yo on your running pattern, anong mga kaya mong gawin, anong mga hindi mo kaya gawin. Then, gagawa ka niya ng program, no? So, if you want to have a 30-day program, sabi mo lang sa kanya. And siya na bahala. Then, of course, syempre, with yung AI niya, nagsasalita siya, sasabihin siya, ito mga gawin mo, okay? Of course, take a rest, then sprint ka uli, or lakad ka muna, take a breather. Yan ang okay dito sa AI running coach, yung Watch GT3. Then, the fourth one is definitely yung 100 plus niyang workout mode. So, tayo being a very sporty person, I love having sports, no? Pero, the pinaka workout modes na ginagamit ko dito sa watch na to, ilan lang naman eh. So, either you go for outdoor running, indoor running, treadmill, indoor pool swimming, which is sa swimming pool, or pwede ka rin sa open pool swimming. Then, probably, yun lang naman halos mga ginagawa ko eh. Very limited, do. So, itong pandemic, hindi tayo nakakapupunta ng gym, hindi ako nakapagpunta ng basketball. So, very limited ang mga function na nagagawa ko dito. But, nevertheless, 100 plus workout mode. So, of course, syempre, huwag ko na pansinin ng mga skiing and jet ski, kung ano man yun. No? And nandito siya, no? Which is nice to have, pero hindi mo siya magagamit dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, the fifth function for me, ito napansin ko, everybody's buying an oximeter. Bakit? It's for you to check yung blood oxygen level mo. It's very important, no, during this pandemic. Ang daming tao bumibili nito just to check time to time, okay pa ba aking blood oxygen level. Now, dito sa Huawei Watch GT3, meron tayo niyan. Okay, it's an all-day SpO2. It's also called the blood oxygen monitoring na i-check niya I think meron siyang cycle, no? Every 30 minutes or every para i-monitor niya, no? So, ang sabi naman ng doctor, if you fall below 85, very critical na 'yon, no? Yung blood oxygen level mo, no? So, with this watch on your wrist, no, I'm pretty sure na it's very convenient for you. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili pa ng attachment, nakakabay mo dito sa daliri mo just to monitor your blood oxygen level. At the press of your fingertips, makikita mo na ang iyong real-time blood oxygen level. And the last one, of course, it's yung accurate na heart rate monitoring, no? So, pupunta pa tayo sa mga hospital para ikabit dito, no, sa braso natin. As ipapump niya, sisikip dito, at mag-flex ka, syempre, kukontrahin mo. Okay. So, dito sa Watch GT3, hindi na kailangan. All you need to do is just press measure dun sa heart rate monitoring, no? Pipindutin mo na measure. Sasabihin na sa'yo, ilan BPM, beats per minute, okay? So, on a normal scale, when you're relaxed mode, nasa around 55 to 70. But kung medyo, medyo excited ka or medyo light workout, no? So, nag-range siya around 90 to 100, 110. If you're going for a heavy workout, talagang tumatakbo ka ng marathon, magre-range siya ng 130-40. So, yun ang range, no, ng mga heart rate, no, na nalalaman ko. So now guys, after 2 weeks kong gamit to, no, what I can really say about this one is pinaka-gusto ko talaga ang gaan niya. Okay? Yun ang pinaka-winning for me. I don't like really something na ang bigat na nasa aking wrist, no. So, of course, syempre may hawak ka ng phone na medyo mabigat. Then, dagdagan mo pa ng mabigat na relo, it becomes heavy. Okay? So, syempre, hindi ko naman gusto yung mga smart bands, mga fitness band. Kasi very limited ang kanilang mga function. Unlike ito, feature pack. Okay? So, masasabi ko sa inyo guys, it's really something na worth subaybayan. Ako, nasubaybayan ko GT1, GT2, GT2 Pro, GT2e. Ngayon, GT3 na. Okay? So, I'm really happy na nalaro ko to, no, for 2 weeks. And what I really can say is it's really a worth buy. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, ang Huawei Watch GT3e, I'll drop it on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Wacha!